Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add Google Maps to Webflow, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this piece of documentation to make my life easier and to make this tutorial easier to follow, so let's get right into it. Now, before I start, what you will need for this is the Google Maps API key. For this, you do need to have a project set up which has a billing address, and it has the Google Maps API turned on, so you do need to set that up first. So once you do have that set up, what you can do, you can add a map very easily. You can just go to the Add Elements panel and then go into Components, and then you'll be able to find the Google Maps component and you can add it to your site. Now, if you don't have the JavaScript API key added to your project, you'll see a gray map placeholder with this method, and in any other scenarios, you will get a low-res map which is watermarked with for development purposes only. There are other ways to embed maps. You can copy the Google Map URL into the Rich Media Embed option, which is in the plus menu, and you can do it like that, and that is pretty much it. Now, to create an API key, what you're going to need to do is you just need to go into your map settings, click Add API Key, and you'll be taken to Settings, Integrations, and Google Maps, and you just need to paste your API key there. Now, to generate the key, you're going to need to choose Maps, create a new project, or use the drop down to choose a project you've already created, then set your billing account on the Google Cloud Platform, click Credentials on the left, create credentials and choose API key, enable the API for the project, and then copy the API key that is generated. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.